Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan TheOrganizer. So today I'm reviewing and testing the brand new Gyeon Q²M Glass Plus. This is a hydrophobic glass cleaner. What is that? Well, it gives you the combination of the power of cleaning your glass to give you that crystal clear effect, but also giving you hydrophobic properties, water beading and water sheeting, basically a rain repellent that's going to help you have better vision and a safer driving in all weather conditions. So in this video, guys, I'm going to not only give you the key features, we're going to talk about durability. Of course, you're going to see a demo on a vehicle. You're going to see how easy this is to apply. But I want to first start off by thanking Gyeon for sponsoring this video. This is a part of a 3-part series of doing a deeper dive in 3 of their awesome products, because Gyeon is known for their amazing ceramic coatings, right? The protection for the paintwork and a bunch of vehicle surfaces, both inside and out. But they also have a bunch of maintenance products, and this is one of them. So we're focusing on the Glass Plus today, but you're also going to see one on Wet Coat. This is a spray-on rinse-off paint sealant, and you're also going to have one on Gyeon Wax, hydrophobic properties, gloss, a bunch of cool stuff. So I'll leave those linked if you haven't seen those videos in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. And also any products and tools and equipment that I talk about or present in this video, I'll also leave links to those in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. So all you have to do is sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So to talk about Glass Plus, this was unveiled, by the way, at the SEMA show in Las Vegas in November 2022. When I attended, I was at the Gyeon booth, and you guys can see my SEMA recap videos, by the way. And I was with Yves, one of their awesome representatives, and he knows a lot about Gyeon products. And he was talking to me about not only the formula, but one thing that they did for the updated bottles. Look at this. This is one of their new trigger sprayers. So it has not only the G for the Gyeon logo branding, but also it has a longer trigger here. So for bigger hands like mine, I have big hands, this fits perfectly, nice ergonomics. But also, if you look at this up close, there are no metal parts in there. So this is a big accomplishment. It might seem simple, right? We take this for granted, but it gives you a nice fine mist. And also, well, again, there's no metal parts. There's nothing that should fail technically in there. So kudos to them on that. Now, back to Glass Plus. So this works on the basis of their regular glass cleaner, which is called appropriately Q²M Glass. This, by the way, I featured in my video about the best glass cleaners in the automotive world. It is super efficient to remove grime, dirt. It leaves a nice slick finish, and yeah, it just cleans the glass super well. So go check out the video too once you have a chance. But it's an effective glass cleaner. And so they used the basis of this formula to come with this one, but they also added some magic in there to give hydrophobic properties. So basically a rain repellent additive in there. There's a bit I really asked the Gyeon crew to give me some details about the chemistry, because you guys know I like to do a deep dive and give you all the knowledge and information that you need, and sometimes behind the scenes info. And so they told me that there's a bit of the Bathe Plus magic and some of that Wet Coat magic as well inside the chemistry. They can't reveal more. Obviously, it's proprietary. However, that's good to know, because that's one of the reasons it is so effective. And you're going to see in the demo how not only simple it is to apply, but how highly effective it is at what it does to clean, give you that clear view, and also give you that high repellency. And it also gives you a streak-free finish, which is very important. Quick tip, by the way, do not work in direct sunlight and avoid applying this on super hot glass. You can use this, by the way, both on exterior glass and also on the inside glass. It's also safe on tinted windows because there's no ammonia in there, so it's tint free. And you can also use this on your infotainment displays, navigation displays, GPS displays. It works super well to clean those, to remove those fingerprint smudges and so on and so forth. However, note that if you want to have a bit more sanitizing effect on the infotainment displays, it is recommended that you use the Gyeon Interior Detailer instead, which you guys have seen me use in many videos. I absolutely love this. And by the way, on your gloss black plastics inside the vehicle, this works wonders. Streak-free finish and some light sanitation duties. So Glass Plus. What is the durability? Many of you are going to ask. Well, of course, durability depends on many factors, right, guys? So the preparation, that is key. How you apply this, what conditions your vehicle is submitted to, how much mileage you're doing, so on and so forth, where you live, weather is a big thing. So on average, this is going to last 8 to 12 weeks in mild climate. So if you live in a gentle climate, and we usually see 4 to 6 weeks in more harsh environments like we have here with our winters here in Montreal, Canada. And so far, so good with this in my testing. But I know you guys are dying to see it in action. So you know what? We're going to dive into the demo. But for the demo, we're going to need just a few simple tools because Gyeon also released a bunch of other microfiber towels called the Evo microfiber towels. And they have them in this awesome matte frosted packaging, which I absolutely love. They're always on par with the best of the best as far as marketing goes. And I mean, look at this sleek presentation. The visuals are amazing. And yeah, I think their marketing is second to none. So in here, what we have is the new Glass Pack Evo. So there's 2 microfiber towels for your glass cleaning needs in there. So there's one Glass Wipe Evo. So this has the waffle weave, and this is going to be your initial towel to apply the product. So we always use short nap towels and lint-free towels when we're cleaning glass because it works a lot better. And then the second towel is the Bald Wipe Evo. So this one here, again, edgeless design, and this is going to give you that final buff, the streak-free finish. Okay guys, so we're at the demo portion of this video now, and I'm going to use this back glass on the Nissan Rogue because it has a dark tint on it, so you're going to visually see the contrast super well. I first started by washing the entire vehicle using Gyeon Bathe Car Shampoo. It's fully dry, and now I split the glass in half. So on the right side, we're going to first start by cleaning the glass with the regular Gyeon Glass, so a regular glass cleaner. And we're going to be applying it using the new Gyeon Bald Wipe Evo microfiber towel, which looks like this. For glass, you always want to use short nap, low pile, and that way you're not going to get any linting and it's going to do a good job. So on this side, we're going to use the regular Gyeon Glass. And as you can see on camera, the hydrophobics before we start, there is no protection on the windshield. So the water is very, very slow to sheet off. There's no water beading because there is no protection on the back windshield. So we're going to start by cleaning with Gyeon Glass. And on the other side, we're going to use Gyeon Glass Plus, the hydrophobic booster and glass cleaner. So we're going to be able to compare both sides and look at the hydrophobic properties once it's done. So let's start by cleaning the glass here. So again, these microfiber towels make an easy job and a nice perfect result. Flip to a dry side and then remove any excess. And there we go. So we got crystal clear glass. And now on the other side, we are going to be using the brand new Gyeon Glass Plus. So this one here, again, is a glass cleaner, and it also has hydrophobic properties, a booster. So you're going to get some protection and water beading from the elements and the rain. And to apply, we're going to be using the new Gyeon Glass Pack Evo. So inside here, you get 2 microfiber towels, one Glass Wipe Evo that is waffle weave, just like this one. And the other one is the Bald Wipe Evo. So basically you're applying with the first one, which is Glass Wipe. So we're going to take our bottle, shake the chemical. You can spray either directly on the towel or on the glass. So we're going to spray on the glass. A little goes a long way. We are going to work it in to the glass until you see a light haze. And by the way, as per Gyeon recommendations, do not use indirect sunlight and don't apply on hot glass. So there we go. We worked that in there. And now we can see this slight haze. So we take our second towel, the Bald Wipe, and we buff to a streak-free finish. I can already tell under the towel the slickness that is there compared to the side that has nothing. My finger gets stuck here, and this one, it just glides. So that's awesome. And now we're going to test for the hydrophobic properties. Again, this is a great topper if you have a glass coating on your glass, like Gyeon View or Gyeon Q²M, or as a standalone. And so that's done. So on this side, I'm just going to remove a little bit of that overspray here. All right. So now we can test for the hydrophobic properties. So we should see on the right-hand side that there is no protection. Water should be slow to sheet off, no water beading. And on this side, there should be water beading, hydrophobic properties, very quick also to come off the glass. And yeah, it's gonna have a visual indicator that you have that protection that should last many, many weeks. So let's go ahead and spray with water. So let's start with a slow stream. And right away, I think you guys can tell, look at the difference. So there we go. On the right side with no protection, a flat sheet of water, very slow to sheet off, and we get tons of water beading on this side, and the water was very quick to sheet off the glass as well. Look at how awesome that looks. So let's do that now, perhaps with a stronger stream of water. So again, look how quick those water droplets fall off. That is simply amazing. And on this side, no protection, so no hydrophobic properties, just one big slow sheet of flat water laying there on the glass. And so on this side with the Glass Plus from Gyeon, you're getting the hydrophobic properties. So you're gonna get increased clarity and visibility when you're driving in inclement weather, because water is just gonna fly off the glass. You can use this both outside and inside glass. You can do the entire vehicle. You're not using a lot, by the way. Gyeon says roughly 40 mils for an entire vehicle. So a little goes a long way. Look how simple it was to apply, and you get those immediate results. Let me bring you in closer now so you can see what that looks like up close. All right, guys, here we are up close. So check that out. You see how quick the water is to sheet off, and you're getting those water droplets or water beads on there. I mean, there's some areas the glass is almost dry already. That's how fast it is. And on the unprotected side, you're getting just one big slow sheet of water, no water beading. So I think the results are pretty clear. Now, using a leaf blower or a car dryer, you're also going to see how quicker the glass is to get dry with a bit of air movement compared to the side with just this flat sheet of water that's on there with no protection. So as you can tell, one quick pass with the leaf blower, and look at this. This is dry on this side, and here we still got a bunch of water just laying flat there because there's no hydrophobic properties to help remove the water off the panel. So it's going to take a lot more time to dry a vehicle. So same like the paintwork, right? When you have protection, like one of the Gyeon ceramic coatings on your paintwork, super easy to clean and to maintain. Same applies to glass now. So if you have the View or Q²M glass sealants, you can use Glass Plus for maintenance, or you can use it as a standalone, as you saw here, and you're going to get many, many weeks of this hydrophobic protection. And it's a great glass cleaner as well because it shares the same basis of the glass cleaning formula as the regular glass, but with added extra magic in there for the hydrophobic properties. So guys, I think the demo spoke for itself. You saw the difference. So on one side with no protection, the glass was clean, but there's no water repellency. And on the side where we applied the Gyeon Q²M Glass Plus, there were nice water beads. The water was sheeting off the glass very quickly, and it just left not only a crystal clear and perfect vision, so increased safety when you're driving in inclement weather under all weather conditions, mainly in rain conditions, right? When it's rainy outside. But you saw that hydrophobic properties meant that you also clear the glass of water very quickly when you're washing and drying your vehicle. So it makes maintenance that much easier. So a fantastic product. And by the way, So as you saw in the demo, there was no protection on the glass. So you can use this obviously as a standalone. You're going to get many, many weeks of protection out of this. But note that you can also use Glass Plus as a maintenance topper. So if you have one of their glass coatings or rain repellents like Gyeon View or Gyeon Q²M, and by the way, talking about Gyeon Q²M, here it is. I had reviewed this on my channel in one of the videos as soon as they released this. So go check that out if you want to see a demo, the application, and all that good stuff. But basically, this is a rain repellent, and they're focusing, let me give you here a view. So quick and easy to apply. Why is it easy? Because it comes with this amazing felt applicator. You just squeeze a bit of the product, you apply it on the glass, you remove it, and there you go. You have many months of water repellency. So what the cool thing is with Glass Plus is you can use it to maintain your Gyeon glass coatings like the Q²M again, or the Gyeon View, or any other glass coating that's on your vehicle. You can use this for maintenance, and it's just going to help increase that water repellency. But also never forget, this has the basis of their glass cleaner. So the basic glass cleaner, which means it's going to remove dirt and grime very easily. It's not going to smudge the glass. It's not going to give streaking issues. And yeah, the only tip, do not work in direct sunlight and don't apply this on hot glass. But other than that, I mean, yeah, hydrophobic glass cleaner. I mean, this is one of the good ones. And again, you're getting that updated sprayer. And I hope you noticed in the demo, let's give you a quick view here with this misting. Hopefully you're going to see on screen. Let me go ahead and yeah, you see the atomization. Look how beautiful, and like that mist is just perfect. So they did a great job with that. You can use this as a standalone. You can use this as a maintenance topper, regardless of what you want. This is going to do a quick job of cleaning your glass, but also giving you that hydrophobic properties. So it's going to be much safer for you once again on the road. When you're driving in any weather conditions, you're going to have a better vision with that crystal clear glass that is important to clean, right? Both inside and out, but you're going to have that added hydrophobic protection for many, many weeks to come. By the way, I'll make sure to include the links to all of these products in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you want to do a deeper dive in the other two products in this three-part mini series of their maintenance products, there's going to be one video on Gyeon Wet Coat, the spray-on rinse-off sealant, and one video on the Gyeon Wax, a hydrophobic wax, probably one of the most hydrophobic waxes that you can find on the market, but also the gloss. The gloss. This was featured, by the way, in one of my videos that was called the glossiest products or paint protectants that you can get. So another video for you guys to watch. So guys, thanks for being there. Thanks for watching. And in the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.